नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल पर। दोस्तों आज हम एक्सरसाइज 128 जीडीबी सर की बुक है स्पीडोग्राफी वॉल्यूम फर्स्ट है ना, ये स्पीडोग्राफी वॉल्यूम फर्स्ट की। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। नाउ आई कम टू द इकोनॉमी, या पूरा लिख देना, आई कम टू द इकोनॉमी आफ्टर द इकोनॉमी। इकोनॉमी में एक नया और क्या छोड़ देंगे, आई विल मेक ओनली 1 point about the most serious. I will not say omission. ये ओ के लिए आएगा, ये omission के लिए आएगा, इसलिए इसको सीधा लिख देते हैं। I will not say omission, but that is something which I would plead, and I am sure the Prime Minister with great, ये याद ही रहेगा, great concern on these matters will take that into account. About the management of the economy and so on. ये शॉर्ट में लिखना है हमेशा, and so on. Sir, you have given me an opportunity to speak, का फिक्स वर्ड होता है speak, after each budget, each लाइन कट के लिखेंगे, each budget, and the fact of the matter is that because of the financial mismanagement of the last 5 years, in particular of the last 2.5 years, our deficit has reached such a stage that the Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council एडवाइजरी के नीचे और री लगाते हैं सिर्फ, काउंसिल itself, लाइन कट के बनता है, itself had to say that now there is little scope for further fiscal stimulus packages. The second thing is that we, line cut के, remained in denial too much of last year, and when we started the remedial measures, मैं छोड़ देते जस्ट लगाए थे, remedial measures, by now most of the monetary policies, policy instruments which could be used, ऐसे क्या, which could be used have already been used to the maximum extent, so we do not have possibilities there. Therefore, my request is that the government should act in time to control the situation. Thirdly, कुछ पूछने के यहाँ तक? The main stimulus that you can give today is in the more rapid execution of projects. This is the प्रॉब्लम में पैर है, बै लगा देते हैं, लय छोड़ देते हैं, फिर पूरा लिखोगे तो प्रॉब्लम देख लेना. This is one of the great differences between India and China. If you see, they give 5 remedies on execution. First, a delivery monitoring unit NF in the Prime Minister's office to monitor flagship programs. दो तरीके से लिखा जाता है, या तो programs, गहरा ऐड हो जाएगा programs, and आइकॉनिक. ये आइकॉनिक याद रखना थोड़ा, कैन नोट वाला भी बनता है इसमें. आइकॉनिक प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड रिपोर्ट ऑन देयर स्टेटस पॉलिसी पब्लिकली है यार, स्टेटस पब्लिक. Actually, I do not know what this new office will do. There has actually been a committee under the Prime Minister him और self इसमें लगाते हैं himself to expedite and monitor all major infrastructure projects. They say suitably institutionalized quarterly reporting of flagship programs, इकट्ठा लिख सकते हो, flagship programs. These are all on pages 12 and 13. Sir, we have so many reports. There is a quarterly report from the administrative शॉर्ट में ऐसे लिखा जाता है, रिफॉर्म्स डिपार्टमेंट, which lists the cost and time overruns on every single central project है, सिंगल आ गया ना, प्रोजेक्ट, but no consequences followed. The next is strengthening public accountability of flagship programs by creation of an independent evaluation office at an arm's distance, या डिस्टेंस शॉर्ट में डिस्टेंस ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं, ये नया बनेगा इसमें, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट catalyzed by the planning commission. I do not understand what this armed distance from the government catalyzed by the rubber stamped and habitual legitimizer of the government, that is the planning commission, means third, establishing mechanism 4 for परफॉर्मेंस, जैसे लिखते हैं परफॉर्मेंस, परफॉर्मेंस मॉनिटरिंग एंड परफॉर्मेंस एवोल्यूशन, लाइन काट के लिखना है, इन गवर्नमेंट ऑन ए रेगुलर बेसिस. I do not know that this sentence, पहले वाला ने हाफ रखना, sentence means, does it for the records of all the governments have been to establish on a नहीं है, establish mechanism on a regular basis, or that will be on a regular basis. Thus, 5 annual annual reports to be presented by the government. If you see that what, if you see what he said and did in the budget, in every single thing he has made provisions for better monitoring, more reports, and so on. Sir, let me come to the management of the economy, of economy. The honorable members कोई सा लिख सकते हो, may will recall that they have been, and लगा देना, been witnessing 3 stimulus packages from the government in the past 6 months or so, but what has been its impact on the Indian economy? I would have been happy, ये साथ में जोड़ देना, I would have been happy even if the effect had been minimal or worse still, नेगेटिव के हाफ रहेगा नेगेटिव, बट what I understand from my economists friends is that the government's diagnosis of the entire crisis had been completely a very naturally the प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, दोनों प्रिस्क्रिप्शन हैज बीन आउट ऑफ date with the requirements of the day, the age old prescription for any downturn in growth has been to ensure that the government of the day steps in and increases the spending. This has been referred to in the President's address to as proposed counterproductive efforts to deal with the extent situation. I have two reservations on this. Firstly, या लिख देना, firstly any substantial increase in the expenditure of the government at this point in time is sure to increase the fiscal deficit. This borrowing program of the government crowds out the private initiative and hence runs counter to the private initiatives of the citizens of this country, and not counterproductive to that of the recession. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, recession ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, faced by the country in effect, we would be left with only a growing debt for the next generation. पूरा लिख लो एक बार, generation, not prosperity for them. Secondly, elementary मैथमेटिक्स, ये सीधा लिख देते हैं मैथमेटिक्स, सीधा मैथमेटिक्स टीच us that anything multiplied by zero is zero. कंटिन्यू आ रहा है, जीरो जीरो, तो जीरो इज जीरो. This type of policies are acceptable when the government's expenditure reaches the intended target, not otherwise. When the people in the government confess that not more than 5% of the expenditure reach the people of this country and look around, आउ लगा देना इसमें, around helplessly, I am not sure as to what, नहीं what ऐसे नहीं होता, what ऐसे तो what the government means by such vague intentions, or in the absence, ये लाइन पर बनेगा absence of, या पूरा लिखोगे absence, जैसे बिजनेस लिखते हैं पर बिजनेस लाइन काट के होता है, ये लाइन पर होगा, of any clear cut program is vagueness a deliberate strategy, sir, on poverty. We have seen all kinds of varied numbers. The planning commission's last estimate on poverty suggested that poverty numbers in India have tended to come down to just 260 million people last year। दोस्तों ये एक्सरसाइज 128 की आउटलाइन थी। यदि आपको कुछ समझ में ना आए तो आप हमसे कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। इसी तरह के डिक्टेशंस प्राप्त करने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें तथा वीडियोज को लाइक एवं शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।